Let's explore the working hours section and how to manage it. You'll find this section under Agency, then Working Hours. As the name suggests, it represents your travel agency's business hours. Why is this important? This setup helps prevent your customers from making bookings that your agents wouldn't be able to ticket due to being out of office or outside of your working hours. To manage this, navigate to the Agency Working Hours section and click the Edit button. Make any necessary changes to reflect your agency's actual working hours. Once you're done, simply click Save.